Shaka guys, today we'll be making a mobile stand. What? You're looking for Sharon? Come on Rob, it is Sharon. Let's see the materials we need. Acrylic colors, paint brushes, cutter, pencil, glue, scissors, and yeah, this is really important. This I got it from a hardware shop. Alright, so firstly we'll draw Rob's face. And when you're happy with your work, you need to figure out the mechanism. So here I have drawn Rob. This will be Rob's face, his body, he's sitting on a table. So the entire part will be in 2D, but we'll be giving it a 3D look. So this part is the pivot joint where Rob says Shaka. And yeah, so this is the arm where he'll be saying Shaka, and when it is closed, the phone will rest on the table horizontally, and when he releases his hand, it will rest vertically. So here I've cut Rob's face. Now we need to stick this face on the mount board. So here I have stuck Rob's face and I've drawn his body proportionally, and and this is a 2D structure. I've given it a 3D look on the table. So the pivot joint, and we need to cut similar exact size arm for the movement, for an extra arm for the movement. So make sure when you make the stopper, you figure the proper distance from the table so that your phone rests properly. We need to cut this out. So I did not find any mount board, so I'm cutting 3 individual pieces of Rob and I'll be sticking it together. If you get sunboard, then you can just cut it directly and start painting. So here I've cut Rob's 3 individual cutouts and I've stuck it, and also I've added the pivot joint. And here I've made a stand, we could say, and also a stopper. So I've done a groove so that our Rob will sit properly over there, and this stopper will help your phone to rest horizontally as well as vertically. So I've colored this. I've colored Rob. Yeah, so I'll just give the final detailings. To make the process quick, I used sketch pens. You can even paint Rob. Alright, so this is how it looks. Here I have made Rob. You can make anything, guys, just be creative. And yeah, this idea was by Rob, inspired by Rob. He made a Bruce Lee stand. I made Rob himself. He's my true model in terms of art and all, because I'm a self-taught artist, so his tricks and tips has helped me a lot. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a great thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to get such amazing videos, and share it with your friends. Maybe this might help them. And yeah, till then, have a great day. Always keep smiling.